Hey guys, welcome back. In today's channel, I'll show you how to use the Waze app. If you're new to Waze and want to navigate with real-time traffic updates, just follow these simple steps. First, download and open the Waze app on your phone. If prompted, sign in or continue as a guest. Then allow Waze to access your location so it can provide accurate navigation. Next, tap the search bar and enter your destination. You can type an address, search for a business, or choose a safe place like home or work. Once you select your destination, Waze will calculate the best available routes based on traffic conditions. Review the suggested routes and choose the one you prefer. Then tap Go to start turn by turn navigation. As you drive, Waze will provide voice directions and automatically update your route if it detects traffic, road closures, or other delays. You can also report traffic, accidents, hazards, or police by tapping the report button, helping other Waze users stay informed during their trips. For the best experience, keep your GPS, mobile data, and location permissions enabled while using the app so Waze can provide accurate directions and real-time updates. And that's it. That's how you can use the Waze app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.